Hey all, good morning to one and all. I'm doing good. How you guys are doing? Please let me know in the comment section. Welcome back to yet another new vlog today. We are back to home. So again as usual, we're gonna start our daily routine. From today onwards, you're gonna watch my daily routines. Today morning we just started plucking the black plum, which is a perfect time to pluck. So we just took the help of someone and just plucking the black plum fruits. So which is very healthy also guys. This is a season fruit. Please try to have it. Though you're not getting it, it is available in all the supermarkets. So please try to have it. Here I started preparing green tea. Once I done with the green tea, I started preparing for the breakfast. So carrot. Today I'm gonna prepare a special recipe. Today I'm gonna show you the recipe also, guys. Here I started cleaning the carrot, just peeling it and gonna grate this. And this is a bottle gourd roti, guys, which I'm gonna prepare with rice flour. It is a Kadapa style famous roti, and for this bottle gourd is must and carrot is optional, but I needed all mixed veggies over here, so I just added bottle gourd and this carrot. So here I'm just peeling even the bottle gourd. I'm gonna grate this, so let's prepare it. Bottle gourd, I just peel the skin and now I'm gonna remove the seeds inside and then I'm gonna grate it. Yeah, like this complete bottle gourd I've just used here, guys. And here ginger garlic, I'm gonna make a fine paste. Fresh ginger garlic I'm gonna add for this recipe. Yeah, it's perfect. We made it fine paste. Now here for the same jar I'm gonna add a few green chilies. So if you wish to add more, depends on your spiciness, you just add it, guys. And here soaked chana dal of 1 tablespoon, I'm just adding it coarsely. I'm gonna grind this. So this is how it's looking now. With this cup measurement I'm gonna make this roti. So here I'm just adding 3 cups of rice flour. Now the same quantity I'm gonna take grated bottle gourd also of 3 cups. Now I'm gonna add grated carrot of 1 cup. Yes, it's perfect. Looking so colorful and very healthy breakfast. Not only healthy, guys, it's a very tasty recipe also. And here now I'm gonna add the mixie jar paste, which is ginger garlic, green chilies, chenna, coarsely we grinded, no? So that paste I just added. Now curry leaves, finely chop it, then add 1/4 cup of curry leaves. Now I'm just adding 2 tablespoons of oil, which is cooking oil. Here I'm sprinkling 2 tablespoons of salt. Now add 1/4 glass of water and give a nice mix to this. Try to make this dough as you make for chapati. Try to add the water batch wise if it requires. Finally, I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of oil for this dough and gonna mix well so that it won't stick to our hand while making the rotis. Now here can you see, guys, how soft it is? It is not even sticking to the hand. So here I just kept the oil ready and just using Ziploc pouch here and gonna grease oil for the hand. Now I'm gonna make a small balls. Here I'm using the Ziploc card so that it will be very comfortable for me to lift, remove the roti and just put it on the pan. So yeah, I'm just greasing the oil even for the Ziploc pouch. No need to give much pressure on the dough guys, because it's bit soft only, so try to do it very softly so that it won't stick much to the Ziploc pouch. Though we have greased the oil, while preparing this roti, the edges definitely it will crack. So we need to cover even that cracks also. So finally how it looks, I'm gonna show you. So this is how finally I got it. Now let me remove this and put it on the pan. Pan also should be greased with the oil and it should be in a medium flame, not very low, not very high. And now I'm gonna remove the roti from the Ziploc pouch and gonna place it on the pan. Directly we can't place on the pan guys, slowly we have to remove through the edges and then turn onto your hand. Now slowly remove the Ziploc pouch. It came very easily. Now place it on the pan. Wow, perfectly we did it. Now repeat the process for remaining dough. Now turn the other side. The other side we need to grease with the oil. Now turn even the other side. Wait for 2 minutes. Our bottle gourd rice flour roti is ready. Looking so colorful guys. Now let me taste this and let you know. Mmm, very tasty guys. Give it a try. Definitely you're gonna like this. Now for the remaining dough, how we are preparing, just have a look. So this is how finally we got it, and this is our new mixie guys, and which was very much in need for me to prepare the breakfast or for the dinner, anything we're gonna use most of the times mixie only. So here is a new mixie, but this I'm returning it because I purchased through Amazon only. Butterfly brand I trusted and just purchased. Of course it's a good brand only. And here what happened, when I just using the mixie, I got the burning smell from the motor. So I just called the technician and told that this is what the problem is. He told that we're gonna replace this. So yeah, that is what I'm just packing it, and today I'm getting the replacement one. Quality wise, brand wise, there is no compromise guys. Now replacement also same product I'm gonna get, but the new one I'm gonna get. So I'm gonna show you even that product also. This is a juicer. As I told you, 4 jars I got with this mixer grinder, Butterfly brand. So it is worth of 5,000 change something. I got it for 3,200 something, but that's okay guys. Sometimes it happens like this, and 10 days I can replace at any time if I have any problem. So that option was there, that is the reason I just purchased it. We have a plan of going for a shopping today, so yeah, we are here guys. Don't think I just came here to purchase the grocery. It's because of my son we came here. He wants snacks, it seems. So from so many days we were just avoiding him not to go out. So the time where it has come where we have to go and buy some snacks for him. So yeah, first, so here he wants the lickables. So yeah, I just took that, and now next is Spider-Man chocos, few biscuits he wanted, it seems. So he gonna pick by himself, it seems. So let's see what all he's gonna pick. Now here favorite one is popcorn. Yes, whenever he get bored, he'll ask me to prepare the popcorn. So yeah, I just picked even that, which is a butter delight we always prefer for. So yeah, and we came to vegetable session because his shopping is done. I'm gonna do bit shopping of mine. So I'm gonna pick few fruits and veggies also here. So our shopping is done. Now he's ready to go for billing. Guys, this is a sanitizer session. Before we used to have the offers in this place, but now they made a sanitizer session only because the sanitizer has become a part of our life. So again, this is our nuts here, and I just came here to purchase few things and veggies, fruits. Even here, the black plum is available. So as I told you, guys, supermarkets it's available. Please try to have it. It's good for the health. That's all for today's one. Thanks for being with me again. Stay strong, stay safe, stay home. Let's catch up with a new vlog again tomorrow. Till then, do like, share, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is VRK Homemaker.